Happy morning, people. Welcome back to Reven Room for another interesting episode. So, today I am trying to fix my Insta360 X3 lens. So, recently I had damaged my lens because it fell from my helmet. So, I didn't want to spend a bomb on getting it fixed from Insta. So, I am going to try this DIY hack at home. So what I have here is the broken lens of my Insta, right, as you can see, and this is the replacement lens which I got it online. I will give you the details of where I purchased and how much is it, and these are some of the tools which I picked up online and all my household stuffs. So let's see how this goes. Alright, let me start off by heating the or let me first remove the batteries. Remove the batteries, remove the memory card. Now what I'm going to do is I will heat up the front surface of this so that I can peel the front casing. We need to do it with a lot of patience. So alright, I think the seal is opening. Okay, level 1 successful. So this is the casing which has the gum for waterproofing and all. So it's been removed. Now the next step is to remove this casing, right? This will work. Yes. So there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 screws, so go ahead and remove these 8 screws one by one. Okay, so now I've removed all the 8 screws from the display. Let me try to open this. Okay, it's open. Let me try to slowly remove this. Okay, and what I see here is I think these are all thermal insulations. Alright, so slowly you might have to peel this off. Just remove it like this. It comes off like this. Okay, now what we need to do is unscrew these things now. Just give it a support. Okay. Right, I've unscrewed this. So okay, so I have carefully removed this lens from its socket. I think I'll reuse this. Slowly I need to unscrew this. This thing looks sealed to me, so now I am going to make a risky operation. I'll see if I can cut it open. Yes, this is what I was expecting, and finally. Okay, slowly. All right, I have removed it, but there is slight damage to this windings. Let's see. Okay, now I need to place this lens, right, and tighten this thing on top of it. The same thickness, and the grooves are also same. It is all smooth now. It should fit. Okay, I can see some wobbling things happening here, but I'll try to fit it back. Put this case also. Alright, I fit all the 4 screws, and now I'm trying to put back these clips to its position. So it just needs to be aligned in line, and I give a click. Yes, you need to hear a click sound. Okay, so now just put back the case, okay, and insert the memory card. Okay, now the moment of truth. Let's hope it works. Turning on the camera. Don't tell me. It's working well, man. Right, it's a success. It's a success. Okay, now let me put back the screws and do a final round of testing. Okay, where is the screw? Okay. One more thing, I think the waterproof, it is no longer waterproof. Reason being, I could see there is a gap inside, right? So there are chances that the water might just get into the lens, not over here, but in between these lens and the guard, right? So what I'm planning to do is get a diving case for this, so that should not cost a bomb too, right? So I will plan to buy a diving case so that I can use it in rain as well. That's the only drawback of replacing it yourself, but it's okay. So instead of spending 15 to 20k on the replacement, right, so you could just end up spending only 10% of it. Okay, now coming to the point, where did I purchase this lens? So there is one online store called Touch LCD. It's a Delhi based online store. So I got my lens from them. Okay, so it costed me around 2200 including shipping. So that is with the lens part. And these tools I got it on Amazon. They costed me around 700 rupees. And this heat resistant gum is also available online, which is around 300 rupees. So on an average I spent close to 2300, 700. Okay, let's keep it as 3500. So within 3500 I am able to fix the lens. So if I had to get it done from the Insta360 guys, it would have costed me close to 20 to 25,000 rupees. So that's the hack. Let me screw this up, apply the glue, and I will show you guys one final shot outside with the 360 degree, whether everything is working fine or if I'm seeing some stitch marks. So because there is a gap, no, I'm suspecting there could be some stitch marks between the lenses. Let's see. Time to apply the glue. Before that, let's see if I can clean some more of this. Okay, let us leave the glue to dry up for a couple of hours. Okay, I have cleaned up the lenses where the extra glue was oozing. Alright, so this was it about my DIY hack to install the Insta360 X3 lens at the very minimal cost, right? So I spent around only 3500, including the lens, glue and all the tools that is required. So here it is. So once again, thank you guys. I will add a couple of shots now just to see if the 360 effect is working fine, right? So as always, like, share and subscribe. Catch up with you guys on my next video. Bye bye.
A few moments later.